Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute paper quilling cat toothpick holder, and you can also use this to decorate your dining table, drawing room, and you can easily pull out the toothpick from this. Isn't it looking super cute? And everything is paper made and handmade. After learning the process, you can make different animals with the same procedure. So without any delay, let's start with the video. So here I am starting with making the face of the cat. For this I am taking 8 strips of white color in 3mm and making one big tight coil. Add little glue at the end and just secure it. To make it flat, I am rolling out the tool on this. Similarly, I have prepared one more tight coil. Now using the quilling mold, I am shaping both the tight coils as dome shapes. Here I am making the face, so it should be nice circular, and now I am adding glue inside both the domes and connecting with each other. So the face is ready, allow it to dry. Then to make body, here I have prepared 2 more tight coils. This is made using 10 strips of 5mm in peach color and this is made using 10 strips of 3mm in peach color. Now I am shaping the 3mm tight coil using quilling mold, just like we did before. And for the 5mm tight coil, I am opening it using my fingers because we need little deeper dome. So this is done. Now I am adding glue inside both the shapes and sticking with each other. Like this. Then connecting face with the body. And keep it aside for drying. Then here I am taking 1 strip of 5mm in peach color and just making one tight coil. Here I am showing you how to make the hands. Now using the pencil I am just opening the coil and making cone shape. Just checking with the other hand, the height of the hands should be same for both sides. Then twisting the cone little bit in one direction so that we will get the curved hand. And this is done. Then for the next shape, again I am taking 1 strip of 3mm in peach color and making one tight coil. Making little dome. Add glue inside both the shapes and connect with each other. So hands are ready. Then to make legs, here I have already prepared some tight coils. This is made using 2 strips of 5mm in peach color. Then the next tight coil is made using 1 strip of 3mm in peach color. This is made using 1/4 strip and these two are made using 1/8 strip using 3 mm peach color. Now I'm just shaping each tight coil and constructing the leg. And the leg is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more. Now I'm taking one strip of peach color in 3 mm and just making one tight coil dome. I'm showing you how to make ears. Just pinch the ear in the bottom like this. And similarly, I have prepared one more. Just add glue inside this and connect with the face. Like this. Then taking back the leg, it is completely dried and now I am cutting it from top diagonally so that we can stick this with body nicely and easily. If the strip is coming out from top, just add little glue and secure it nicely. Wiping out the excess glue with wet brush immediately. Now I am just adding some markings on leg by using brown color strip, which usually cat has on the body. So I'm just creating these striped markings. Similarly, I have prepared the other leg, and with the same method I have added the stripes on both the hands. Now connecting both legs together like this and then sticking body on top of this. Hold it for a few seconds, allow it to dry. Then I am taking the matching shade of the body in acrylic color and coloring the back portion of the face so that it will match with the body, and in the front I am only adding some stripe marking and little bit on both sides of the face. Rest of the portion I am keeping white as it is. Then putting nose and cheeks. For this I have used 1/4 strips in pink color and peach color. I have just cut my strips from center to make more thin strip. So the nose is triangle and cheeks are small domes. Then adding 2 black circles for eyes. Like this. Then putting brown color stripes on the face or head to match with legs and hands. And then sticking both the hands like this, since he is looking at one side and the hands will go back side. So after putting both the hands, it will look like this. Now it's time to connect mustache. So here I have just cut my black strip very thin and adding some hairs on both the sides. So cute. Then here I am taking 1/4 strip of pink color in 3 mm and creating one small bow shape. Similarly, I have prepared one more, and I have just wrapped one pink color strip around the neck portion of cat. So I am just putting the bow in front like this. And also I have attached one tail. This is just twisted strip in brown color, and the super cute cat is ready. Then here I am taking total 4 strips of 5 mm in yellow color and making one tight coil. I am making here the base where we will put the toothpicks. So actually I am going to create one flower basket. So if you don't want to put toothpicks, you can keep it as it is, just as the showpiece, so that the basket will look nice with flowers and all. Now I am passing the pencil through this and creating the long cone shape. Tap the bottom in the center to make it flat and open it nicely and slowly using fingers. Add glue inside this and spread it nicely. So the base is ready, allow it to dry. Then I am showing you how to make small flowers. For this I am taking one strip of pink color in 1 mm and making one leaf shaped dome. Similarly, I have prepared 2 more. Add glue inside this, spread it nicely. Take one wire pollen, and around this I am going to put these petals by tucking each petal inside other. And the small and cute flower is ready. It looks like the tulip flower. Similarly, I have already prepared some more in little smaller size and big size. Now taking back the base, around the edge of the base from inside I am putting all these flowers by touching it on the edge or on the wall of the base, so that the center portion will be empty to put toothpicks. And after putting all the flowers, it will look like this. I have also added one leafy strip around this. I have just cut my green strip in zigzag manner and created the leaf. Now add little glue and stick it nicely with the cat from backside. Also add little glue on hands of the cat. Hold it for a few minutes and it is done. Now to create base, here I am taking 6 cm diameter cardboard circle and I am just wrapping light green color paper around this. Then putting one more circle on other side. And the base is ready. Now taking back the cat and sticking it on the base. Just align it nicely in the center. And now it's time to add the toothpicks inside the holder which we have created. And this is super cute idea to gift it to someone who is just shifted to new home, or if your friend or family are cat lovers, then also you can create it for them, and you can easily pull out the toothpick from the holder. I'm just loving the outcome so much. So just put on your suggestions and your valuable comments in the comment section. I'm waiting eagerly. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.